हेलो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, नमस्कार, सत श्री अकाल, सलाम। दिस इज अमित कपूर। दोस्तों, आज मैं आपके सामने पेश करने जा रहा हूं मरकरी का पाइसेस साइन में ट्रांजिट, जो कि 1 अप्रैल यानी कि कल से 1 अप्रैल 2021 से लेकर 16 अप्रैल 2021 तक पाइसेस में रहेगा। इसमें प्लस पॉइंट ये है कि 1 अप्रैल से लेकर तकरीबन 10 अप्रैल 2021 तक शुक्र और बुध की युति होगी, जिसमें मरकरी का नीच भंग राजयोग बनेगा। बहुत सारे असेंडेंट्स के लिए ये नीच भंग राजयोग बहुत अच्छी अपॉर्चुनिटीज लेकर आएगा। तो जैसे कि आप सब जानते हैं कि मेरी ये प्रेडिक्शंस आपके असेंडेंट्स से बेस्ड हैं, आपके लगन राशि पे बेस्ड हैं, आपके चंद्र राशि से, आपके मून साइन से, आपके जॉडिक साइन से। इसका कोई लेना देना नहीं है। मेरी प्रेडिक्शंस सिर्फ और सिर्फ आप इंडियन वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी के अकॉर्डिंग हैं। आप इंडियन वैदिक एस्ट्रोलॉजी को अपने माइंड में रखें, अपने असेंडेंट्स को अपने माइंड में रखें और मेरे वीडियोस को सुने, तो आपको डेफिनेटली कुछ इन्फॉर्मेशन मिलेगी कि जो बुध का जो राशि परिवर्तन हो रहा है 1 अप्रैल 2021 से लेकर 16 अप्रैल 2021 तक, जिसमें से 1 अप्रैल से 10 अप्रैल तक मरकरी जो है वो नीच भंग राजयोग में शुक्र के साथ रहेंगे। 11 अप्रैल से 16 अप्रैल तक वो अपनी पूरी नीचता में आ जाएंगे और डिग्रीकली वो डेबिटेशन में होंगे। और वो जो 5-6 दिन होंगे सब असेंडेंट्स के लिए, जिनके लिए मरकरी रूलिंग प्लैनेट है, उनके लिए कुछ स्ट्रगल का समय भी होगा। तो दोस्तों, सबसे पहले तो मैं आपको मरकरी के बारे में कुछ बताना चाहता हूँ। मरकरी क्या है? मरकरी आपका शार्प माइंड है। मरकरी आपका आप ये भी कह सकते हैं आपका वे ऑफ टॉकिंग है, आपकी लैंग्वेज है। आप किस तरह से अपने अल्फाजों को बयां करते हो किसी के सामने, या अपने आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन थ्रू योर वर्ड्स, दैट इज मरकरी। मरकरी इज ऑल अबाउट योर शार्प माइंड, योर इंटेलिजेंसी, योर एजुकेशन, योर ट्रेडिंग, योर बिजनेस, योर मनी ट्रेडिंग। इट इज ऑल अबाउट मरकरी। अगर हम देखें जिन लोगों का मरकरी बर्थ चार्ट में स्ट्रांग होता है, उनके अंदर गजब की इच्छा शक्ति होती है, उनके अंदर किसी भी चीज़ को ऑब्जर्व करने की पावर बड़ी ज़बरदस्त होती है। उनके सामने कोई भी चीज़ को आप अगर प्रेजेंट करते हैं, उनको समझाने की कोशिश करते हैं, जिनका मरकरी स्ट्रांग होता है, तो वो बड़ी जल्दी उन चीज़ों को कैच कर लेते हैं और अपने माइंड में रखते हैं। जिन लोगों का मरकरी स्ट्रांग होता है, वो पैसा खर्च करने से पहले बहुत बार सोचते हैं कि कहीं मैं कोई फालतू खर्चा तो नहीं कर रहा, कहीं मैं ऐसा पैसा तो नहीं खर्च कर रहा जिससे मेरा आने वाला फ्यूचर खराब हो जाए। हम ये भी कह सकते हैं जिनका मरकरी एग्जाल्टेड होता है, खास करके 1st हाउस, 4th हाउस, 7th हाउस या 10th हाउस में, उनके अंदर थोड़ी सी कंजूसी वाली नेचर भी होती है। या हम बोल सकते हैं कि वो अपने फ्यूचर को लेकर बहुत ज़्यादा अलर्ट रहते हैं, पैसे को बहुत सोच समझ कर खर्च करते हैं, पैसे को लेकर बहुत ज़्यादा उनका जो फोकस बहुत ज़्यादा रहता है कि यार मेरे सेविंग्स हिलने नहीं चाहिए, मेरा ध्यान मेरी सेविंग्स की ओर है, मेरा सेविंग्स हिलना नहीं चाहिए। तो मरकरी आपका दिमाग भी है, आपकी इंटेलिजेंसी भी, आपका शार्प माइंड भी है। आपके लफ्ज़ों को, आप अपने लफ्ज़ों को कैसे एक माला में परोकर किसी दूसरे के सामने रखते हैं, यानी कि आपकी प्रेजेंटेशन थ्रू योर वॉइस, थ्रू योर वर्ड्स, वो भी मरकरी है। मरकरी के बहुत ऐसे अच्छे गुण हैं कि अगर किसी के बर्थ चार्ट में मरकरी स्ट्रॉन्ग हो, एग्जाल्टेड मोशन में है, या फ्रेंडली साइन में है, या डिग्रीकली युवा अवस्था में है, तो मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि ऐसा बंदा एक सफल और प्रबल बिजनेस मैन बनेगा, एक ट्रेडर बनेगा, स्टॉक ब्रोकर बन सकता है, या किसी भी चीज़ की मैन्युफैक्चरिंग करेगा जिससे लाइफ में वो बहुत राइज करेगा, पैसा कमाएगा। सो दोस्तों, अब मैं आपको बताने जा रहा हूँ ये 1 अप्रैल 2021 से लेकर 16 अप्रैल 2021 तक मरकरी का ट्रांजिट पाइसेस में होने जा रहा है। आपके लगन के अकॉर्डिंग कैसा रहेगा? सबसे पहले बात करेंगे एरीज असेंडेंट्स की। एरीज असेंडेंट्स, मरकरी बीइंग अ लॉर्ड ऑफ योर 3rd हाउस एंड 6th हाउस, ट्रांजिट इन योर 12th हाउस। अब देखें यहाँ पर मरकरी ट्रांजिट इन योर 12th हाउस विद वीनस 1 अप्रैल टू 10th अप्रैल एंड क्रिएट नीच भंग राजयोग। आपके दुश्मन आपके सामने खड़े नहीं हो पाएंगे। आपके जो डेप्स हैं पहले 10 दिन में अप्रैल के, वो क्लियर होंगे। अगर आपके ऊपर बुध की दशा है या अंतरदशा है, और अगर आप कोई फिजिकली डिसीज से गुजर रहे हैं, तो ये 10 दिन आपकी मुश्किलों को हल होगा। आपकी फिजिकली चीज़ें बेटरमेंट की ओर जाएंगी, आपकी तबीयत आप अच्छा महसूस करेंगे, आपकी परेशानियां सॉल्व होंगी। अगर आपके ऊपर कर्ज है, वो कर्ज खत्म होगा, क्योंकि आपके द्वादश भाव यानी 12th हाउस में मरकरी का ट्रांजिट जो हो रहा है, वो अपनी 7th एस्पेक्ट से आपके 6th हाउस पे एस्पेक्ट डालेंगे, अपने ऑन साइन पे, अपने एग्जाल्टेड साइन पे। तो यहाँ पर बहुत सारी चीज़ों में आपको इंप्रूवमेंट देखने को मिलेगी, क्योंकि 6ठा भाव 6th हाउस इज आल्सो हाउस ऑफ योर एम्प्लॉयमेंट। सो व्हेन मरकरी एस्पेक्टिंग इज ऑन साइन from 12th house, this is for Aries ascendants. If you are unemployed, you will get job, there is no doubt. if you don't have source of earning, if you don't have any money multiplication, then these 10 days, especially for the first 10 days, will be a game changer for you. आपके हाथ में कोई ऐसी चीज आ सकती है जिससे आपको ये पता लगेगा कि फ्यूचर में आप कैसे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं, कैसे अपने मनी को मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हैं, कैसे आपके सोर्स ऑफ अर्निंग डेवलप हो। क्योंकि मरकरी आपके लिए ट्रेडिंग है, मरकरी आपके लिए बिजनेस है। देखिए, सब लगन के लिए मरकरी की एक नेचर क्या है, ऑल अबाउट बिजनेस, ट्रेडिंग, यहाँ का वहाँ, हम बोल सकते हैं मनी मल्टीप्लाई, एजुकेशन, शार्प माइंड, जैसे कि मैं पहले बता चुका हूं। तो एरीज असेंडेंस आपके लिए पहले 10 दिन अप्रैल के लाजवाब जाएंगे, जिससे आपके डेब्ट्स क्लियर होंगे, आपकी हेल्थ अच्छी होगी, अनएम्प्लॉयड है तो नौकरी मिल जाएगी, बिजनेस में अच्छी परफॉर्मेंस नहीं दे पा रहे थे तो बिजनेस भी आपका इंप्रूव होगा, फाइनेंशियल टाइप्स आपके अच्छे होंगे, फॉरेन में कोई लेन देन आपका हो सकता है, फॉरेन ट्रांजैक्शंस हो सकती हैं, फॉरेन में आपको जॉब मिल सकता है, या फॉरेन से रिलेटेड आपके कोई फाइनेंशियल टाइप्स हो सकते हैं, या कोई नए ऑर्डर्स मिल सकते हैं फॉरेन से रिलेटेड, क्योंकि मरकरी शुक्र के साथ आपके 12th हाउस में ट्रांजिट करेंगे 1 अप्रैल से लेकर 16 अप्रैल तक। 10 अप्रैल तक नीच भंग होने की वजह से आपके लिए गेन्स है, लेकिन 11 अप्रैल से जैसे ही शुक्र अपना राशि बदल कर आपके फर्स्ट हाउस में जाएंगे, तो वहां पर 11 अप्रैल से 16 अप्रैल तक का जो टाइम फ्रेम रहेगा, आपके लिए कुछ परेशानियां, अड़चन लेकर आ सकता है। जैसे दोबारा से कोई आपके ऊपर कर्ज लेने की स्थिति, या जो चीजें आपने पहले 10 दिन में आपने सोची थी, तो आपने अगर वो 10 दिनों में ही कर ली हैं तो आपके लिए अच्छा है। अगर आप 10 दिन सोचते रह गए और 11 तारीख से लेकर 16 तारीख में उनको करने की आपने सोची है, या आप ठानी है कि जो प्लान मैंने पीछे बनाया उसको अब एग्जीक्यूट करता हूं, तो उसमें आपको सक्सेस नहीं मिलेगी। तो जो भी करना चाहते हैं, सोचने में ज्यादा टाइम ना लगाएं, 1 तारीख से 10 तारीख तक एरीज असेंडेंस उस चीज को अप्लाई कर लें तो आपके लिए अच्छा रहेगा। अदरवाइज 11 तारीख से लेकर 16 तारीख की जो डायनामिक्स की पोजीशन है वो आपके लिए ज्यादा स्ट्रांग नहीं है, क्योंकि 13 अप्रैल को मार्स भी जो है वो 3rd हाउस में आपके ट्रांजिट करना शुरू करेंगे। कुछ चीजों में इंप्रूवमेंट जरूर रहेगी, लेकिन मरकरी का ट्रांजिट 12th हाउस में होने की वजह से पूरन तौर से 11 अप्रैल से 16 अप्रैल के, ये तो बाय द ग्रेस ऑफ गॉड कि सिर्फ 5-6 दिन है जब मरकरी डेबिलिटेटेड साइन में रहेंगे, डिग्रिकली स्ट्रांग रहेंगे, तो आपके लिए ज्यादा बुरा प्रभाव यहां पर नहीं देखने को मिलेगा। लेकिन फिर भी आप अलर्ट होकर चलें, 11 से लेकर 16 तक कोई नया बिजनेस ना स्टार्ट करें, किसी पे ट्रस्ट ना करें, अपना पैसा किसी को उधार ना दें, नहीं तो वो पैसा आपको वापस नहीं मिलेगा। अब बात करते हैं टॉरस असेंडेंस। आपके लिए आपके 2nd लॉर्ड, आपके 5th लॉर्ड ट्रांजिट इन योर 11th house, which is the one of the excellent position of Mercury. You will earn a lot of money, you will earn name, fame, prosperity. You are going to invest your money as an investment, and you will earn a lot of money through multiple source of earning. You will get a lot of name, fame, prosperity, because your ascendance Lord Venus and your 2nd and 5th Lord Mercury, they are together transit in your 11th house, which is a house of fulfillment of your dreams, your desires, your source of earning, your links with higher authority, your friends, your socializing. So when Mercury transit in your 11th house, in the house of your source of earning, you will earn money from multiple sources of earning. You will enjoy all-round success. You will enjoy name, fame, prosperity. Your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. If you are in job, if you are a businessman, you will definitely earn unexpected money. You will definitely get some big orders. You will definitely get some additional earning, which you are never expected. Because 5th Lord transit in your 11th house. If you're a stockbroker, if you are any type of stock investor, or you are doing any type of intraday work, you will definitely blessed with a lot of gains. Taurus, this is one of the ultimate times from 1st April to 10th April. You will blessed with a lot of source of earning, name, fame, prosperity, position. Everything you will get very easily, because your Venus, your ascendant Lord, and your 5th house Lord is in nearest conjunction from 1st April to 10th April. And from 11th April to 16th April, your ascendant Lord transit in your 12th house, and your Mercury is alone in your 11th house. But transit in 11th house, 11th house is a house where is no planet in debilitation sign. If you have any planet in your natal chart or in transit that may be in debilitation sign in 11th house, that planet never give bad results. So you will blessed with a lot of source of earning. These 16 days will be a highly rewarding for you, Taurus. You need to perform your best. Put your energy, put your efforts. Efforts play a big role. Performance play a big role on this earth. If you perform well with honesty, dedication, You will definitely achieve lot of goal. टॉरस आपके लिए बुध का संचार आपके एकादश भाव में शुक्र के साथ आपकी तरक्की के रास्ते खोलेगा। आपको एक तरह से आपके सीनियर्स आपकी परफॉर्मेंस से सेटिस्फाई रहेंगे। कर्म करें, हार्ड वर्क करें, अपनी परफॉर्मेंस दें, अपना बेस्ट करें। यह समय रहेगा जब आपकी इच्छा पूर्ति होगी, सोर्स ऑफ अर्निंग डेवलप होगी। अगर आप इन्वेस्टर हैं, स्टॉक मार्केट में पैसा इन्वेस्ट करते हैं या स्टॉक मार्केट से लिंक्ड कोई इंट्राडे का बिजनेस, इन्वेस्टमेंट का बिजनेस या कम्युनिटी का बिजनेस करते हैं, दिस टाइम विल ब्रिंग्स लॉट ऑफ फ्रूटफुल रिजल्ट। यू विल अर्न मनी 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 एंड मनी विद लॉट ऑफ नेम, फेम। कुछ नए दोस्त भी बन सकते हैं जिनके साथ बड़े अच्छे टाई अप रहेंगे। कुछ नई इन्वेस्टमेंट्स भी हो सकती हैं, सोर्स ऑफ अर्निंग डेवलप होंगी। यू विल एंजॉय वेरी गुड टाइम विद योर फैमिली, विद योर फ्रेंड्स, विद योर नियर एंड डियर। ओवरऑल दिस इज अ हाईली रिवार्डिंग टाइम फॉर यू टॉरस। जस्ट नीड टू परफॉर्म योर बेस्ट. दिस इज अ अल्टीमेट ट्रांजिट फॉर यू. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini Ascendus. Gemini Ascendus, your Ascendus Lord is in your 10th house with Venus, with your 5th house Lord and your 1st house Lord create a Neecha Bhanga Raj Yoga. You will definitely blessed with a lot of gains through your work in first 10 days of April 2021. From 1st April to 10th April, you will be sky high. You will earn a lot of money. You will earn name, fame, position. If you are unemployed, you may get job. Your source of earning will develop. You will earn money from multiple source of earning, Gemini. This whole time, from 1st April to 10th April, you will be sky high, you will be top, and you are very near to your reality. The way you are struggling from last few months or few weeks, this is a time when 6th April, Jupiter enter in your 9th house, and your Ascendant Lord and your 5th house Lord is in conjunction in your 10th house. You may start anything new with your near or dear as a partner, or you may, if you are unemployed, you are trying to find a job. This is the right time. Gemini, 1st April to 10th April, you will definitely get a lot of source of earning. You are feeling blessed. Your father will support you, and your tie-up with your father will be wonderful. You will get a lot of blessing from your father's side. And father blessings will be a biggest game changer for you, Gemini. Perform your best. Don't think about past. Just think about positive. Focus on your goals. You will achieve a lot of milestones. 11th April to 16th April, you need to be careful. Don't start anything new. Don't invest your money in anywhere. First 10 days in April 2021 will be rewarding for you. You may invest, you may do anything. But 11th April to 16th April, don't go to invest anything anywhere. Don't show your trust on anyone. Otherwise, you will be a part of any problem or someone may cheat you. So try to avoid start anything new from 11th April to 16th April. But overall, you will be in a far better position compared to last few months or compared to last few weeks. So enjoy this Mercury Neecha Bhanga Raj Yoga in your 10th house. That may be a short time for 10 days, but 10 seconds. If you have a good transit, in a 10 seconds, your destiny will change. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer Ascendant. Mercury enter in your 9th house. Good fortune is in your favor. There is a strong chances for sudden long distance journeys. If you're already applying your PR or work permit, you will definitely get work permit or PR from 1st April to 10th April. This time, good fortune is in your favor. Your mud will turn in gold and your old pending work will click. You will enjoy all-round success, peace of mind, and very good time. You may go for some religious activity. You may go for some charity. You may go for some religious journeys. This whole time brings lot of good things in your life from 1st April to 10th April. But from 11th April to 16th April, don't start anything new. Don't show your trust on strangers. You may go for some religious activity, but you need to be careful. If you go for any type of religious activity or charity, then 1st April to 10th April is a very fruitful time for you. Don't go for any journey. Don't go for any business activities or plan from 11th April to 16th April. Because Mercury is your 12th house Lord, 3rd house Lord, transit in your 9th house from 11th April to 16th April. These 6 days, Mercury is in debilitation sign, which is not very promising transit for you. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Ascendant. Leo Ascendant for you, your 2nd house Lord, your 11th house Lord, transit in your Ashtam Bhav. If you are spiritual guru, if you are a yoga teacher, if you are any type of researcher, astrologer, you will blessed with a lot of money from 1st April to 10th of April 2021. This whole time, you may earn money through lottery. You may earn money through gambling. This time, Leo, you will be surprised to get unexpected money from unexpected way. You may get money from hidden source of earning, or you may get some money which you never expect, because Ashtam Bhav, 8th house linked, Mercury being a lord of your second, 11th transit in your 8th house with Shukra, with Venus, exalted Venus. First 10 days will be rewarding. If you are trying to perform your best, put your energy, your pending work will click and you will blessed with a big amount of money. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. Venus transit in your 8th house with Mercury. First 10 days will be highly rewarding, benefited. Your savings will rise. You will get unexpected money from unexpected ways. Leo, this whole time you will be top, you will be sky high, and you will enjoy a lot of savings, lot of cash in hand. Cash flow will make you happy. But from 11th April to 16th April, need to be careful. Don't show your trust on stranger. Don't spend your money, as wastage. Don't go for overspending. Overall, this Mercury transit first 10 days will be highly rewarding and highly, productive time for you. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendant. Your Ascendant Lord transit in your Saptam Bhav, 7th house from 1st April to 16th April. First 10 days, Mercury Venus conjunction in your 7th house. Some new business partnerships will knock you. You may start anything new. You may invest your money. Your daily income will rise. You will enjoy a lot of gains through your old investment. Or you may start any new business as a partnership with some one near and dear or your friend circle, because your Ascendant Lord transit in your Saptam Bhav in 7th house. You will definitely blessed with a lot of source of earning. Your daily income will rise. You will enjoy very good time with your spouse. Your spouse will help you. Your spouse will motivate you or support you. 1st April to 10th April, Virgo, if you want to start anything new, you must start, because your Ascendant Lord is in Neech Bhanga Raj Yoga. It will give you a lot of prosperity, fame, rewards, and you will be blessed with a lot of gains. Monetary, you will be sky high. You will get a lot of business opportunities. And if you are willing to start anything new, then first 10 days of the month of April is very rewarding for you. Don't start anything from 11th April to 16th April. Be careful for any investment. Be careful to start anything new with anyone. If you're a shopkeeper, if you are any type of trader, if you are any type of manufacturer, don't start anything new from 11th April to 16th April. Overall, first 10 days in the month of April is a rewarding time for you. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. Libra Ascendants for you, Mercury is your ruling planet, your beneficiary planet, which is transit in your 6th house with Ascendant Lord in first 10 days. You need to be careful about your health. But overall, if you are unemployed, you will definitely get job as per your expectation in first 10 days of April 2021. You will enjoy all comfort, success, peace of mind. Your source of earning will develop. If you are willing to, if you are trying for work permit in foreign land, because Mercury and Venus aspecting is on your 12th house, you will definitely blessed with a foreign activities or foreign work permit or PR if you are already applied. Some unexpected expenditures may irritate you from 11th April to 16th April. So you need to be careful while spending your money. Try to pay your bills and taxes on time. Overall, this whole time, this 16 days is very rewarding for you, because in Kalpurush birth chart, Mercury is very promising in your 6th house. So Mercury transit with Venus in your 6th house in first 10 days of April 2021 will be highly rewarding and benefited period for you. If you're suffering from any type of debts, your debts will be clear. If you are applying for any loan, or you are interested to borrow money from someone, or applying for any government loan, your loan will click, or you will easily get money from any of your friend. Libra, this is a time when your game will be changed. If you are willing to switch off your job, this is the ultimate time. First 10 days is highly rewarding. You may get promoted. Your salary will rise. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendant. Your 8th Lord, your 11th Lord transit in your Pancham Bhav, 5th house. A house of creativity, a house of stock market, good gains, a house of speculation, kids, love life, education. Scorpio, your 11th Lord is in your 5th house with exalted Venus. 7th Lord, 12th Lord, 8th Lord, 11th Lord transit in conjunction in first 10 days of April 2021. You will be blessed with unexpected money. Some foreign transactions will make you happy. You will enjoy a lot of savings. You may earn money from intraday. You may earn money from your old investments. Your creativity creates some magic at your workplace, and you will success you will enjoy a lot of success, peace of mind. If you are in affair, if you are in a living relationship or love relationship, your love relationship may turn in marriage, because Venus Mercury is in your fifth house. It will give you a lot of peace of mind, lot of good gains are there. Your old pending work easily click. Your source of earning will develop. Some unexpected money, name, fame, prosperity will create magic in your life. And your creativity create magic in your life. Your seniors are very satisfied from your performance, because fifth house is a house of your creativity, is a Lakshmi Sthan. So you will enjoy all around success. Scorpio, perform your best. If you have a good Mahadasha, Antardasha, or if you have a good Venus Mercury, placement in your natal chart, and the transit connection is wonderful, you will definitely blessed big amount of money, success, peace of mind, fame. A lot of good things will happens during this Mercury Venus conjunction in 10 days of April, first 10 days of April 2021. Overall, this is a time when you will be flourish yourself. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind, success, and unexpected money you will enjoy. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendant, Mercury transit in your fourth house with Venus. Health of your mother will be a matter of concern. You need to be careful. Focus on your mother health. You need to be careful while talking with your mother. Relationship with your mother will be a matter of concern. But for first 10 days, you will enjoy very good homely atmosphere, very good mental peace. Hidden savings will rise. Your mental, energy will very positive. You will enjoy very good time. But 11th April to 16th April, you need to be careful while talking with your mother. Your mother health will be a matter of concern. You may start learning something related to astrology, related to occult science, related to any type of knowledgeable books, because Mercury is in your fourth house in transit. And if you have a good connection with transit Mercury, with your natal chart Mercury, you will definitely start learning something very interesting, which is maybe linked with astrology. So Sagittarius, just focus on your mother health. Be humble, be polite in front of your mother. Must take blessings from your mother's side, and try to maintain a good relationship between your wife and mother. Overall, this is a very good time for you. You will enjoy very good mental peace. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn Ascendant. Your ruling planet Mercury and Venus both conjunction is in your third house. Your confidence level will be sky high. Your friends will help you, your siblings will help you. First 10 days in the month of April 2021 is a very rewarding time when you will enjoy great success, peace of mind, fame, prosperity. Some short distance journeys will make you happy. Your professional life will improve, and your hard work will convert in a sweet success. This whole time, Capricorn, you will be top, you will be sky high, you will enjoy all type of comforts. First 10 days, you're feeling very relaxed and comfortable. But don't forget, Saturn is in your first house, which is not very promising for you. Try to be in a good relationship with your spouse. Try to give respect to your life partner or your loved one. Overall, this Mercury transit first 10 days will be highly benefited and rewarding for you when you are feeling much relaxed, comfortable. Your siblings will support you, your neighbors will support you, and some short distance journey will give you very fruitful results. If you are a businessman, if you are a travel agent, if you are doing any work related to your tour and travels, you will definitely be blessed with a lot of gains, a lot of money. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendant. Mercury Venus conjunction is on the second bhav. Savings will rise. Your eating habits will rise. You may put your weight this whole time, 1st April to 10th April, first 10 days of April 2021. Some unexpected money will knock you. You will enjoy all-around success. Your old investment will give you fruitful result. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, peace of mind, success. Your family will support you. But from 11th April to 16th April, don't take any risk. Don't invest your money anywhere. Don't take any risk related to your investments, related to your savings. But overall, your family will support you. You will enjoy very quality time with your near dear, with your families, and this whole time you will enjoy very tasty food, because Mercury Venus is in your second house, and your spouse will support you. If you are unmarried, if you are in a relationship, your spouse or your loved one will help you a lot to improve your source of earning. I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendant. Venus and Mercury transit in your first house. You will get a lot of self-respect, name, fame. First 10 days of April 2021, well, you feel much relaxed and comfort. You will enjoy a lot of money from multiple sources of earning. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy very good time. You will spend some quality time with your near and dear and your spouse. If you are love affair, if you are in living relationship, then this time from 1st April to 10th April, your relationship may convert in long lasting relationship like marriage, or your family will give you green signal about your relationship. You will enjoy very good time with your loved one. You will enjoy very comfortable time with your spouse or loved one. Pisces, perform best. Be honest. Don't show your ego attitude in front of anyone. Overall, this transit of the Mercury first 10 days will be highly benefited, rewarded when you will get name, fame, prosperity, and a lot of love from your loved one or spouse. 11th April to 16th April, Mercury alone transit in your uh, first house. Need to be careful. You need to be careful while talking with your spouse. You need to be careful while talking with your business associate. Overall, this whole time brings a lot of peace of mind, success, achievements. Don't start anything new from 11th April to 16th April. I'm praying for your happy future. Thank you for watching my video. Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, Jai Hind.